Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this heavy duty chrome storage rack for my business. I have a lot of extra inventory and stuff sitting around, so I needed something strong to set it on. So I figured while I am opening it up, I would do a quick unboxing for you so you can see how it comes. And I'll give you my first impressions of the material qualities and things like that. Okay, so hopefully, let me see. Yeah, you should be able to see in there. So it's pretty straightforward. Um, I'll do a separate video showing how I actually assemble it, but it looks pretty simple. You have your six racks here. You have your V-shaped pattern there to give you that extra strength and stability. So that's good. It does have nice caster wheels. So four caster wheels, two of them with locks, two without locks. And I'm not positive, but I believe these are the pieces that go between the shelves to hold the shelves onto the bars. Actually, now that I say it, I am positive that's what it's for. It has some little tool that comes with it. I'm sure that has something to do with um, assembling it also. And they're kind of hard to get through, but let me see. Pull out one of the poles. So, oh, these are labeled. This one's labeled bottom pole. I don't know if some of them are, yeah, so you have bottom poles and top poles. So the bottom pole has feet on it. Go ahead and take it out. There you go. You can see it's nice chrome. The bottom has feet on it. The top has threads. So the top pole will screw into that to assemble it. And the overall quality, I mean, it feels really strong and sturdy, so I am excited about that. I feel confident that it will do what I need it to do. So that's it for this one, guys. Again, I'll do another assembly and then overall review to let you know if it's doing what I need.